Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video we are going to give the solution of the GDB questions which is related to the subject code MGT101. So let's start reading the GDB question statement, then we will move to the related requirements, and then finally we will discuss the solution that I have made in Excel sheet. Rahim and Sons has a business bank account in a local bank. For internal control, the accountant of the Rahim and Sons recorded all deposits and withdrawals related to the business bank account in the bank column of the cash book, which showed an overdraft balance of rupees 100,000 on 30th April 2023. On the other hand, the bank also recorded such movements of funds in the business bank account. The record of bank column of cash book maintained by the accountant should be similar to the recorded entries in the business bank account at the bank. Rahim and Sons received a bank statement at the end of the April 2023 from bank. Unfortunately, the balance as per bank column of cash book maintained by the accountant of the business is not similar to the balance shown in the bank statement sent by the bank as on 30th April 2023. The causes of disagreement between the balance as per the cash book bank column and the bank statement bank record as identified by the accountant are given below. So, checks of rupees 85,000 issued during the month of April 2023 by Rahim and Sons, out of which a check of rupees 20,000 cash during the month of April and a check of rupees 10,000 was cashed on 3rd May 2023, and the other checks are still unpresented. Okay. Checks of rupees 35,000 deposited into bank for collection on 29th April 2023 were not credited by the bank till the end of April due to some clearance processes. Interest on overdraft of rupees 5,000 charged by the bank debited in bank statement only. Now move to the requirements. First requirement: what will be the balance as per bank statement after reconciling the mentioned causes of disagreement as on 30th April 2023. What is the requirement? You are going to be determine the balance as per bank statement after reconciliation of the two statements based on the information given in the question. What will be the effect of interest on overdraft of rupees 5,000 charged by the bank if not adjusted in the bank column of the cash book? What will be the effect of unpresented checks on adjusted cash balance while preparing the adjusted cash books? So, the second task is that if you are not going to adjust the expense of 5,000 overdraft amount, then what will be the effect on adjusted cash balance of the cash book under the column of bank? And same is the concept is repeated in task number 3, where we are talking about the adjusted unpresented cash. So let's move to the solution that I have made in Excel. So here is the solution. Let me correct this one. 65,000 because only 20,000 of check is cashed, while the 10,000 check is cashed in 3rd of May, means in next month, not in April. So 85,000 minus 20,000 is 65,000. So remember that I am going to start this reconciliation from the balance of the cash book. It means that I have taken cash book balance, especially the balance available in the credit column of the cash book as a starting point. So as per given information, the overdraft balance of bank column in cash book is 100,000. During the month, Rahim and Sons issued 85,000 amount of cash, out of which only 20,000 is cash and rest of is not cash. So I am going to tell you that we are going to make all kind of adjustment in cash books regarding the bank column available on the credit side to reach the balance as per bank statement. So this is unpresented checks that we have reduced, but we are going to add back that are not available in the bank statement of the book. So add back 65,000 less uncleared check, because we have added in our book. So now this time we are going to reduce this 35,000 from our book under the column of bank on credit side. Interest expense, let me correct this. See, overdraft, this is expense, so it will reduce the balance. So balance as per bank statement is 125,000. So what happened, I am going to repeat it here. We have reduced 85,000 our cash book, the column of bank, but the bank statement only reduced by the 20,000. So what we are going to do, we are going to add back the difference between 85,000 20,000, which is equal to 65,000 in our balance. Uncleared check that we already added but not available in the bank statement, so we will reduce it. 5,000 expense charges are available in the bank statement, but it is not available in the cash book, so we are going to subtract it, because it is a minor, it is an expense which is going to be credited to the bank account. Okay, then this is a balance as per bank statement, 125,000. Now question number 2, talking about if the cash book is not adjusted this 5,000, what will be the effect on adjusted cash book. Let's suppose if you are not going to be adjusted this one, so what happened, the balance is overstated because it is not reduced by the 5,000. So I am going to correct this one. Okay, because we have to reduce this one. After that, the third part is that if unpresented check is not adjusted, because we already deduct it from the cash book. Let's suppose I am going to be so what happened, our balance is too much reduced because we have not adjusted unpresented checks of value 65,000. It is undervalued or understated balance of the cash book. So we are going to place the value to make the accurate adjusted balance as per the cash book. I hope you will find this solution useful. Remember that this is an ideal question, just assist you in solving your assignment or GDB solution. If you have any question or query, ask me in comment sections. If you found any mistake regarding figures or calculation, please mention in the comment section or discuss with me. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.